Stop running from the challenges. Are you looking for the easy way or waiting for the easy way? No, you are avoiding, ignoring, and running from the fears, hurdles, and hard targets. Actually, you are not running from the hard targets, but running from your purpose, from your destiny. Remember, you have to confront if you want to succeed in life, and don't take the easy way out and spending your whole life escaping and running from your mistakes, fears, challenges, and the people that are not good in your life. Stop, think, and be confident. You have the potential, you have the knowledge, you have the talent, you have the experience, you have the expertise. Then why don't you face the challenges? You know, on the other side, your destiny is waiting for you. Don't make lame excuses to delay. If you won't dare to face it now, your children will have to face it. Now the decision is in your hands. Do or die every day. Thank you.